gas block is adjusted. This has an adjustable gas block right there. What kind is that?
It's an Adam's Arms.
Alright. Let me get to the other side so I might get hit by the brass.
Oh shit, I'm never gonna find that brass pitching off over there.
Oh, you will.
Oh well.
Oh my
Holy
God.
shit.
That is noticeable. You hitting the steel?
Fuck, I don't care.